Hi guys, welcome back to Lytical Preps. So today we are going to learn how to divide by the long division method. Okay, so I'm going to use two problems to teach you how to divide by the long division method. Good. So our problem is divide 1765 by 5. Okay, good. But I want you to know few things here. Okay, long division method, we have to set the division. So you are going to get something like this. This is the symbol. We have, let's say, A inside, B outside, then C. The C here, we call it the quotient. Okay, that's the answer you are going to get. This here, outside the division symbol, is called the divisor. Then the one inside the root is what we call the dividend. Good. So now we can proceed. We are to divide 1765 by 5. So in this case, this is our dividend, the one that we are going to divide. And the 5 becomes our divisor, the one we are dividing with. Good. So let's set up the division and solve this. So I'm going to get something like this. Okay, 1765. Then our divisor, which is 5. So you come outside here. Now, what you do is you ask yourself, how many times does 5 go into 1? Good. So in this case, you can see that 5 can't go into 1. So what we must do is we add 7 to the 1. Okay. So in this case, it becomes 17. Okay, so now 17. 5 goes into 17 how many times? So you can see that 5 goes into 17 3 times. Okay, because 3 times 5, we are getting 15. So there will be a remainder. So 5 goes into 17 3 times. You write it at the top here. Okay, good. So 5 times 3, we are getting what? 15. So we subtract the 15 from the 17. So it's going to be 15. So 17 minus 15, like this. So 17 minus 15, we are getting 2. Good. So now, the next step is to add the next number to the 2. Okay, so you drop it down here. So the 6, you see from 17, we move to 6. So you drop the 6 down here. So it's going to be 6 here, which is 26. Okay, good. So now you ask yourself, how many times 5 go into 26? And that is 5, because 5 times 5, we are getting 25. Okay, so we are going to get 5 here. Then 5 times 5, which is 25. Then we subtract 25 from 26. So it's going to be 25, like this. Now, 26, take away 25. We are getting 1. From 6, what is the next number? That is 5. So you drop 5 down here. So it will become 15. See, 1, 5. So it's 15. Now, you ask yourself, how many times does 5 go into 15? And it is 3, because 3 times 5, you are getting 15. So you put 3 here. 5 times 3 is 15. So we subtract from the 15. And 15 minus 15, we get what? 0. Okay. So we say that our final answer, that is the quotient. Let me write it here. Our quotient is equal to, this is it. This is what we call it, the quotient. Okay. When you come here, it is a C, which is 3, 5, 3. Good. Then assume this 0 was to be any number, let's say 2 or 3. We could have called it a remainder. Okay, a remainder. So with this case, the remainder is 0. We write remainder of 0. Good. So this is our final answer. So we say 1765 divided by 5. Our answer is 353. Good. Let's try the problem 2 together. Okay. So we have to divide 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4. Okay. By 4. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4. Okay, so this one, this is the dividend, this is the divisor. Okay, so let's set it straightforward. Okay, so our 1, 2, 3, 4 will come inside 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the 4 will be outside like this. Nice. Good. So your first thing you do is to ask yourself, how many times does 4 go into 1? How many times does 4 go into 1? You can see that it is not possible. 4 cannot go into 1. Okay, so what we do is you add the 2, the next number, which is 2, to the 1. So it becomes 12. Okay, add it, you take it, the 2 digits, so it is 12. So now 4 goes into 12. How many times? It is 3, because 4 times 3 is 12. Do you get it? So I'm making it simple for you. When the digit first number doesn't go into it, just bring the next number. So for this case, the first number was 1. So the next number, which is 2. So adding the 2 together, we term as 12. So 12. Okay. So 4 goes into 12 how many times? 3 times. So you get 3 here. So 4 times 3, we get 12. So that is 12. You take away from the 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So you can decide to write it or you leave it. Okay. So in this case, let's leave it. The next number is what? 3. The next number is 3. So if you decide to write the 0, it means that the next number, which is 3, will drop down here so that it becomes 0, 3. And it's the same thing. Okay. Now, you ask yourself, does 4, this 4, go into 3? No, it doesn't. So 4 goes into 3 how many times? 0 times, because it doesn't go into 3. 4 doesn't go into 3. So you bring the 0 here. Watch this very careful. Let me repeat myself. I said 4 goes into 3 0 times. 4 cannot go into 3. So you bring the 0 there. Okay. The next thing you do is 4 times 0 is 0. You see that? 4 times 0 is 0. So this case, you can bring your 0. You can take away from the 3. So 3 take away 0, it is 3. Okay. What you must do next is drop the 4. So the 4 will come down. So now, in this case, it will become 34. 34. 34. So now, 4 goes into 34 how many times? 4 goes into 34 how many times? So that is 8, because 4 times 8 is equal to 32. Okay, so you put your 8 here. Now, 4 times 8 is what? 32. So we need to take away the 32 from 34. So 32. So 34, take away 32, it's left with 2. Now, can 4 go into 2? No. And there is no number there. So what we can do is to leave it like this. And then it becomes a remainder. Okay. So our final answer goes like this. So final answer, our quotient is 308. Our remainder is 2. Good. Good. So it means that 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4 is equal to 308 with a remainder of 2. Good. So this is our final answer. Please try this by yourself, okay? Yes. So this is your trial question. Please try hard to solve this and leave your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.